Lark's head knot. Take the string that you're gonna use and put both ends of the string together. Then take your hands to the middle of it. When you get to the halfway point, you will have a natural loop right there. Take this loop and lay it over the dowel. Bring the middle strings through the loop and pull it tight. Repeat with as many strings as you need for your project. Square knot. For the square knot, we will need 4 strands. Take your left strand and create a shape of the number 4. Take the strand on the right, go over the tail of the 4, underneath the 2 strands in the middle, and up through the hole of the 4. And that will create 1/2 of the square knot. Now we just going to reverse it. This time 4 will be on your right side. The strand on the left will go over the tail, underneath middle strings, and up through the hole of the 4. Now pull it tight. Oftentimes I receive the question on how tight should be the knots. In this video, I will show you what is the optimal tightness of the knots looks like. The knot I just made isn't tight enough. This knot is way too tight. And finally, this knot is just about right. In this video, I will show you how to alternate the square knots. Make 2 square knots in the first row. In the second row, take 2 strings from the first knot and 2 strings from the second knot and tie them together using the square knot. Start the third row from the left and create 2 square knots, the same way you did in the row 1. Make sure you leave in the distance and keeping your knots horizontal. Spiral knot. Take your left strand and create the shape of the number 4. Take the strand on the right, go over the tail of the 4, underneath middle strands, and up through the hole of the 4. And pull it tight. Now take the left strand again and repeat the whole process. Bring your right strand over the tail, underneath the middle strings, and up through the loop. Pull it tight again. Repeat the knot over and over again, and what will start to happen as we do this is we're gonna get a twisting. Continue making knots until you reach the needed length of the spiral. Diagonal double half hitch knot. Take the far left strand. This is gonna be your filler strand. Take the next strand on your left side and create a U that goes over the filler strand. Bring the tail through the loop and pull tight. And then just repeat. Create U again. Bring its tail through the loop and pull it tight. Keep the diagonal with your filler strand and take the next string on the left. Now do the same thing. Create a U, bring its tail through the loop and pull it tight. Repeat again using the same string. Continue making double knots with each string until you reach the needed length of diagonal. Now I will show you how to come back the other way. Take the string on your right. This time this string is gonna be your filler cord. Take the next string on your right and create a reversed U. Then bring the tail of the U inside and pull it tight. Repeat. Create reversed U, bring the tail through the loop and pull it up. Now take the next string and repeat the double knot again. Continue until you reach the end of the diagonal. Horizontal double half hitch knot using additional cord. Place an extra cord over first string on the left. Create a U with this string and bring its tail through the loop. Now pull tight, holding an extra cord on its position. Hold the knot and create a U again with the same string. Bring its tail through the loop and pull tight, holding the knot. Keep the horizontal line with the additional cord and take the next string on your left. Create a U again, bring its tail through the loop and pull tight. Then just repeat. Continue making double knots until you're satisfied with the length of your horizontal line.